One students, we continue the remaining problems of this binary operation topic. Okay, second problem, second bit completed. And try remaining problems also, students. Next, third problem. Consider the binary operation. This is some binary operation given on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defined by A binary operation and B is equal to what is the meaning? Minimum of A comma minimum of A comma B. Write the operation table of the operation this one, right? So this type of problems form a table. Okay, this is the operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Like this. Between 1 and 1, A and B, this means this operation, A operation, this one. B, what is meaning? Minimum of A comma B. 1 comma 1. It means with the operation. What is meaning? Minimum of 1 and 1. 1. Minimum of this and this one. 1 and 2. 1. Minimum of 1 and 3. 1. Minimum of 1 and 4. 1. Minimum of 1 and 5. Value is equal to 5. Right. Next is this one. 2 and 1. Minimum of 2 and 1 is 1. Minimum of 2 and 2 only. Minimum of 2 and 3 2 only. Minimum of 2 and 4 2 only. Minimum of 2 and 5 2 only. Like next 2 to 3. Minimum of 3 and 1 1. Minimum of 3 and 2 2. Minimum of 3 and 3 3. Minimum of 3 and 4 3. Minimum of 3 5 3. Next with 4. Minimum of 4 and 1 1. Minimum of 4 and 2 2. Minimum of 4 and 3 3. Minimum of 4 and 4, that value 4. Minimum of 4 and 5 4. Next with 5. Minimum of 5 and 1 1. Minimum of 5 and 2 2. Minimum of 5 and 3 3. Minimum of 5 and 4 4. Minimum of 5 and 5. So like this form a table. They ask write operation table of the operation lengths. Okay. Next problem. Consider a binary operation star. Consider a binary operation star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth problem. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. In the problem, multiplication table is given. Compute. Compute 2 star 3. Compute 2 star 3 bracket star 4. Right? A table given in the problem. Okay. 2 star 3. From the 2 star 3 corresponding element. Right? Otherwise this one. One, two, three, 4, 5. This is the given table. The problem. This is the given table. Okay, what is given? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the given table. Question is compute 2 star 3. Two star 3. Okay, first of all, bracket value 2 star 3. What is the answer? 2 star 3 corresponding value 1. 2 star 3 corresponding value is 1. Right. Now 2 star 3 of star 4. This value 1, that implies 1 star 4 value. 1 star 4 value is equal to how much? 1. Okay, first bit this one. Second bit. What is second bit? 2 star of 3 star 4. First to find 3 star 4. 3 star 4 is, that is 1. Now 2 star 1 value like this from the table, given table, find out. Here star is the some operation, binary operation. Remaining second bit will do. Okay, 2 star 3. First to find that one, star of 4 star 5. Next, let star dash be the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by a star dash. Defined by a star dash b. Fifth problem. A star dash b is equal to HCF, highest common factor, HCF of A and B. This is the star dash operation. This one. So algebra operation plus minus b like that. Here in place of star dash means what? This one between A and B. Suppose A plus B means what? Between A and B plus is there. Means operation applies the addition between two A and B. Here also, what is star dash operation? HCF between A and B apply. HCF of A and B between A and B you can apply. So that is the concept. Right. Read full question. Is the operation star dash Set also given. Set also 1, 2, 3, 4. Same like this only. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is star dash same operation? Star defined in exercise 4. So this is fourth problem. Defined in exercise 4 above justifier answer. So do first star dash. Both will get some table. That table and this table same. Means same or not. Justifier answer. Okay. Suppose this is the star dash. Take. Condition is star dash HCF. Okay, highest common factor. Right. So first of all, with 1, start with 1. 1 and 1 between highest common factor. What is HCF of 1? 1 only. 1 and 2, highest common factor of 1 and 2. 1. Right. Highest common factor 1 and 3. 1. HCF of 1 and 4. 1. HCF of 1 and 5. 1 only. Right. Carry first one. Now with 2. HCF of 2 star dash 1 means what? 2 star dash 1 means HCF of 2 and 1. HCF of 2 and 1 value 1. Clear? Next, HCF of 2 and 2. 2 correct. HCF of 2 and 3. Highest common factor of 2 and 3. 1 only. So that is 1. HCF of 2 and 4. What is this common factor 2? Here also 1, 2, 4. So in this common factor is for 4 and 2, 2. So clear, this 2. HCF of 2 and 5 value 1. Next HCF of 3 and 1, 1. HCF of 3 and 2, 1. HCF of 3 and 3, common factor 3. HCF of 3 and 4, 1. HCF of 3 and 5, 1. Next with 4, highest common factor of 4 and 1, 1 only. HCF of 4 and 2, 2. HCF of 4 and 3, 1. HCF of 4 and 4, 4. HCF of 4 and 5, 1. Highest common factor of 4 and 5, 1 only. Next, HCF of 5 and 1, 1. HCF of 5 and 2, 1. HCF of 5 and 3, 1. HCF of 5 and 4, 1. HCF of 5 and 5. Okay. So for this problems, what will get this table? Same as is for problem. So just for answer. Yes, it is same as star dash also same as the star operation in the fourth problem. Okay. That you write last 5 minutes. Next, sixth question. Start with the binary operation on M. On the start with the binary operation on the set N means natural numbers. Natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Here star is what is operation? LCM. A star B. A star B meaning LCM, least common multiple. LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. First bit 5 star. 5 star 7. LCM of 5 and 7. What is this one? 35. LCM of 5 and 7 what? 35. Right. Next one. 20 star 16. 20 star 16. LCM. What is 20 star 16? Clear? 4 5s, 4 4s. 4 5s. 20 24s. 80. LCM of 20 and 16 is equal to 80. So here operation star is meaning LCM. Right? Next is commutative. Question is commutative. Suppose if you take this only or this anything, 5 star 7 value means LCM of that one. What about 7 star? 7 star 5. 7 star 5 also meaning LCM of 7 and 5. What is the answer? 35. Both are same or not? Okay. Star is commutative. So that implies 5 star 7 is equal to 7 star 5. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, associative. Associative means we consider three numbers. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. Associative. A star B of star C will find first of all. 2 star 3 star 5. What is this meaning 2 star 3? LCM of 2 and 3 star 5. LCM of 2 and 3 value 6 star 5. What is 6 star 5? LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to 30. Next take A star of B star C. A means 2 star, B means 3 star 5. This implies 2 star. What is this value? LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5. How much? 15. 2 star of 15. Okay. This meaning LCM of 2 and 15 is equal to 30. So this associate. Right? So star is here associate. Next, find the identity of star in N. Next, fourth bit. Next, fourth bit. Okay. Identity. What is identity? In this binary operations, actually additive identity means A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to how much? A. Right? So 0 is the identity. So this means what number to add this, you will get same number. That is that adding number is called identity number. Okay. For multiplication, for multiply, A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. Here 1 is the identity element. For A multiple with 1, then A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to what is the answer? A. So like that here, identity element of identity A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Clear? So what is the here in this problem? What is the star operation? LCM, right? LCM of A and E is how much? Something. That something value compulsory equal to A. That is the LCM of A and E value we don't know. For what value of E, we get this answer A. Suppose E is equal to LCM of A and 2. What is the answer? 2A. Like that. Variable and a number. So, not equal to A. That's why they are asked find the identity of star in N in natural numbers. What is the possible answer? In place of 1, what you take? Then you get A 1. 1 is the correct answer. So that implies E and E is LCM of E and E is already A. This implies when it is possible, this implies E is equal to 1. Clear? 1 into A into 1 is equal to A. So identity element is equal to 1. Okay. This one is for all elements. Suppose if we take 15, 15 star 1 is equal to 1 star 15 is equal to what is the answer? What is the meaning? LCM of 15 into 1, 15 and 1, 15 only. Clear? So in natural number, identity element means that identity satisfies for all numbers. For all numbers, not only for A, not only for 2, for all numbers to satisfy. So that implies your identity is what? 1. Next, which elements of n are invertible for the operation? Invertible means inverse. Inverse element. For addition, what is the inverse? A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to 0. 0 is the identity element for the addition properties. Okay, in addition 0 is the identity. For what value of A, add this minus A. You add minus A for this, you get identity element 0. So like that, suppose if you take 2, what is identity inverse? This one, sorry. Identity inverse of 2? Minus 2. 2 minus 2 how much? 0. 0 is the additive identity. Like, suppose if you take multiply. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. So that is identity element is 1. Okay. What is inverse? Inverse means you get answer 1. A into B is equal to B into A is equal to 1. What is B value? For what value of B? You will get answer 1. 1 means what? Identity. You will get answer 1. Then that is called inverse of A. For what value of B? It will get answer 1. That is 1 by A. Here. A into 1 by A. That is equal to 1 by A into A is equal to 1. Means rational numbers. Like rational numbers. So that type of numbers is possible in natural numbers? No, not possible. Therefore, inverse does not exist. Inverse not exist. Means star is has no inverse. So in the binary operation has no inverse. Inverse not exist. For any value not get identity element 1 means that type of elements not belongs to natural numbers like this. Next, 8th question. This should try HCF of commutative property satisfied and associated also. Next, 9th question. Here set is rational numbers. 9th question. Set is rational numbers. Q. Rational numbers Q. Set your rational numbers. Here, let star be a binary operation on the set of rational numbers first bit. A minus B. You take any example, no problem. A is equal to 2 by 5. Okay. B is equal to 3. 2 by 5 star 3. This means 2 by 3, 2 by 5 minus 3. So 2 minus 15 by 5. So that implies minus 13 by 5. Minus 13 by 5. So how much is this value? 2 point something 6. So this is the rational number. So here star is binary operation. On the set Q. On the set Q. Here. Right. Next bit. A star B is equal to A square plus B square. Do this homework. And third one, A star B is equal to A plus A. A plus A. Okay, take examples. 2, b is equal to minus 3. Okay, rational numbers this time a by b form or this also. All are subset of the rational numbers. A star b. A star b means 2 star minus 3. So 2 plus 2 of minus 3. 2 minus 6 minus 4. It belongs to Q or not? That is important. Okay, belongs to Q. Therefore, star is binary operation. Star is the binary operation on Q, on rational numbers. Next, fifth one. A star p is equal to EAP by 4. All rational numbers. This problem. Okay. Let A is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to minus 3. Right. 1 by 2 star minus 3. That implies A value 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. That implies minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8 belongs to 2 or not? Okay. How much? 3 means 24. 0.24 6 60 sevens 56 4 for terminating number. So it is a rational number. So belongs to Q. So like here star is binary operation. Okay. So like this one, it is for remaining also. Now 10th lesson. Find which of the operations given above has identity. Same problems. All bits, 6 bits are there. All 6 bits, which problem satisfy? First of all, commutative. Sorry, I will not put that problem. Okay, for 9th problem, all checked means that is star is binary. Still is there problem. Find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are the associative. So I will do one problem, anyone. Okay, third one or second problem, fourth one. We will not do that. Star is not shown by the option. That will do. It is a commutative or not. Okay. A star B still is a problem. 9th one. First of all, showing each and every problem. First consider first bit A star B. Star is binary operation. Next, what will show down once read commutative property. So first 3 bits. A star B is equal to A minus B. First showing star is binary operation or not. Next, commutative. Next, associative. These 3 do each and every problem individual. Okay, like these 3 bits. We checked only binary star is binary operation. Now I explain commutative for the 4th problem. A minus B whole square. First of all, check star is binary operation or not. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, this is 3. 3 star 4 is equal to 3 minus 4 whole square minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 belongs to Q. Okay, star is binary operation. Star is binary operation. Complete. Next, what is next bit? Commutative. Commutative property. Okay, one more example. This is 2 by 5. B is equal to 3 by take one more like less than no problem 3 by 5. Okay, what is star? 2 by 5 star 3 by 5 means 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 whole square, that implies minus 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 25, 1 by 25, right? Next 3 by 5 star 2 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 1, 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 25. Therefore A star B is equal to B star A. So star is commutative property. Okay, now check associative. Associative. The numbers A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to 7. Right? First of all, A star B star C. Okay. First this one, 3 star minus 5 star 7. 3 star minus 5 means A minus B whole square. 3 minus of minus 5 whole square star 7. This is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 5, 8 square, 64 star 7. So what does this mean? 64 minus 7 whole square. What is this one? 64 minus 7 means 57. 57 whole square. Right. You see this one. A star B star C. A means 3 star. Right. B means what? Minus 5 star 7. Star 7. So this means minus 5 minus 7 whole square. 3 star minus 5 minus 7 value 12. Okay, minus 12 whole square 144. 144. This means 3 minus 144 whole square. That implies 3 minus means minus 141 whole square. So that implies 141 whole square. Clearly it is not equal. Therefore, star is not associated. Star is not associated. When the operation means commutative property satisfied, but associative not satisfied. Like this, students, we have to remaining problems. Commutative, associative, remaining all problems. Total 6 problems are. Next, 10th problem. Find which of the operations given above has the identity. Okay. So means same above problem. How many bits are there? 6 bits. For 6 bits, which problem is satisfied identity? Identity means what? A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Here E is the identity, which is the suitable means possible term. Suppose we take first one, A star B is equal to A minus B. So that is the binary operation. A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. We show that. Clear? So identity means same answer. Suppose if you take A star E is equal to, what is the meaning? A minus C. It is not equal to A. It is not equal to A. Clear? Or take this one. E star A is equal to E minus A. This also not equal to A. For example, okay. E value same means Clear? A star E is equal to what is this value? A. Apply for binary operation. A star E is equal to A minus E is equal to A. E take that side. A minus A is equal to E. E is equal to 0. Okay. E is equal to 0. For second also E is equal to 0 you get means, and 0 also belongs to rational number. So for this also 0 you get means, okay, answer correct. Why means identity means for this thing or this thing also same. Right. E star A is equal to A star B means A minus A. That means E minus A is equal to A. E is equal to A plus A, 2A. But here is different, here is different identity. So therefore, in this case, identity star is not satisfied. Identity not satisfied. Okay, students, we'll do remaining problems in next class. Thank you.